This course will create a simple calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This course is divided into 4 parts. In the first part, we'll learn how to download and install Notepad++, and in the second part, we'll start building our calculator without focusing on the design part, which we'll take care of in the fourth part. In the second part, we'll complete the basic functionality of the calculator, and in the third part, we'll fix some of the problems that you are facing in this calculator. That is, if I hit some number and if I go on hitting the plus, it keeps on coming, and when I hit 3 here and hit equal to, so you would see answer wouldn't appear. And another case was if I hit something and if I just hit plus or minus or whatever I like, and instead I want to change my mind and put a minus here instead of plus, but when I hit minus, the plus doesn't disappear and minus appears again. So if I go on clicking like this, so we need to fix this problem. And in the fourth part, we'll focus on the design part using the CSS. And finally, our calculator will be ready. The pre-requirements are you should have a minimum basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, though I'll teach you everything line by line. So what are you waiting for? Get in and let's start learning.